Do you know who your best customers are? Or are you just guessing? With Cronysoft Customer Dashboard, you can track customer activity, loyalty, retention, invoices, balance, and profit from one screen. In this video, we'll go over the Customer Dashboard module inside Cronysoft's backoffice. To begin, go to the CRM, then click the Customer's Dashboard, or you could use the Smart Search instead. Once the Customer Dashboard opens, you will see a complete overview of customer activity for the selected date range. At the top, you can see the current filter period. You can use the date filter to review customer activity for a specific time period, or click Reset Filter to return to the default view. This dashboard gives store owners and managers a quick way to understand customer behavior without opening multiple reports. At the top of the dashboard, you will see summary cards. These cards show important totals such as total customers, active customers, blocked customers, and total invoices. Each card gives a quick snapshot of customer activity and helps you understand how many customers are saved, how many are active, how many are blocked, and how many invoices are connected to customer activity. This is useful for quickly checking the overall customer status in your back office. Next, you will see top 5 customers by loyalty points. This section shows which customers have the highest loyalty points. The chart helps you quickly identify your most loyal customers based on points earned or available in the system. This helps the stores understand which customers are engaging the most with loyalty programs. On the right side, you can see review customer retention by month. This chart shows customer retention's activity by month for the selected year. You can hover over the charts to see the number for each month. This helps you understand when customers are returning and which months had stronger retention activity. Below that, you can view the customer retention chart. This chart breaks down retained customers and new customers. For example, you can see the percentage of customers who are retained versus customers who are new. This helps you understand whether your store is bringing back repeat customers or mostly receiving new customers activity. Next, you will see the one-time customer chart. This chart helps identify customers who visited or purchased only one time during the selected period. This is useful because one-time customers may not be an opportunity for follow-up marketing, loyalty offers, or SMS campaigns. If you notice many one-time customers, you can use other CRM tools such as Campaign Overview to bring them back with targeted promotions. The Customer Due Report. This helps you review customer balances and due activity. This chart shows balance-related activity over time. It is useful when your store allows customer accounts, business accounts, credit limits, or due payments. Managers can use this section to understand when customer balances increase or need attention. The Customer Profit Overview. This shows customer profit activity by the month. This gives a quick visual overview of how customer activity is affecting profit over time. You can hover over the chart to view specific amounts for each month. This helps managers compare customers' performance across different months. From the dashboard, you can also connect back to the customers list. When you open the customer section, you can review more detailed customer records. This connects the dashboard overview with customer details, making it easier to review accounts that may need follow-up. Customer Dashboard is basically useful because it brings customer information, loyalty activity, retention data, invoices, due balances, and profit charts into one place. Instead of checking multiple reports, managers can quickly see who their top loyalty customers are, how many customers are active or blocked, how many invoices were created, which customers are returning, and which customers only visited once. This helps the store make better decisions for customer follow-ups, loyalty programs, and SMS marketing campaigns. And that's how you use the Customer Dashboard inside Cronysoft's back office. And that's it for the Customer Dashboard overview tutorial from my side. I'll catch you guys in our next video.